If you want Firefox to always open in private browsing mode, you can do it in just a few clicks, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how. This is a really useful setting if you want extra privacy every time you browse, and it also helps keep Firefox from saving your browsing history the normal way. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon. This is the main menu where you can access your browser settings and options. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page where you can customize everything from appearance to privacy and security. On the left side of the settings screen, click Privacy and Security. This is the section where Firefox keeps its browsing protection, tracking, history, and data preferences. Now scroll down until you find the history section. This part controls how Firefox remembers your browsing activity, downloads, and session data. In the history settings, click the drop-down that says choose what you want, Firefox to remember. Once you select that option, Firefox will reveal more history-related settings underneath it. Now check the box labeled always use private browsing mode. This tells Firefox to launch in private mode every time instead of using the normal browsing session. After you enable it, Firefox will let you know that a restart is required for the change to take effect. That message is important because the setting won't fully apply until the browser is restarted. So go ahead and click Restart when prompted. Firefox will close and reopen, and once it comes back, private browsing mode will now be enabled by default. From that point on, Firefox will always start in private browsing mode, helping you browse with more privacy right from the beginning. And that's it. You've now forced private browsing mode in Firefox. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.